Thanks, Sean. Hey, I literally decided this today after talking to a couple customers. We've been hashing this around for a while. We've offered this course in the past. The biggest reason why I'm offering this right now is that there are tons of folks offering LiDAR on the market that have no business being in the market. I mean, they'll sell you a piece of equipment, but then, what about the data and how do you actually convey that to your customers? So my fear in the marketplace is that we're gonna have all these guys running around providing LiDAR, and they don't have the experience to explain the data or even process the data correctly so that their customers are actually confident in the results they're getting. So this is why we've offered the LiDAR field course. We're going to do this on December 17th and 18th. It's going to be $400 for 10 lucky individuals that want to do this. I don't even have a landing page yet because I decided this morning. And what are we going to cover in here? I think the big thing is we're going to answer or address questions on, how do you fly this so that you actually get results, because it's not the same as photogrammetry. I teach one of the ASPR's UAS workshops for LiDAR, and so we're going to actually go into, what are the ASPR's and the USGS LiDAR standards so that you can explain to a surveyor or an engineer or a GSIP, why is this data certified into what level of quality. We're also going to talk about how to select the right sensor, because you can buy a very expensive sensor, but what's that ROI? And so we're going to match sensor to the actual job. So you're going to see a lot of different data on that. And then we're also going to go into the workflow itself and go over all the different areas that you can actually increase your accuracy or help certify and get better performance. Because in the end, it's about delivering a professional product that your customers are willing to pay top dollar for. So this is, like I said, we just hashed this out. Please talk to Sean about this right now until I can actually get a landing page up. I'm pretty excited about this, and I hope you guys can jump on board. Talk soon.